Hi everyone, welcome back. So, in continuing the same SQL based questions which are asked in product based companies. So, next question is on famous employee table and department table. So, this we have one employee table and employee ID, employee name, department ID, and salary are the columns of employee table. And in department table, department ID and department name is there. And in department name we have engineering, IT, networking, support, front desk, and sales. So we have couple of questions which we want to discuss. So one of them is find the department with highest salary expenditure, employee with fourth highest salary, employee with same salary, number of employees in each department, and display department name if it has more than one employee. Department with no employees, department with and their employees, uh, display employee name like this Raju, Sheila, Jack, any order. So these are like some of the questions which were asked on employees and department table in some product based company. So I have already created a create table statement and insert table statement. Okay, so let's run these statements. So it's running. Yeah, tables are created. Let's insert the data. Think, okay. Yeah. So 5 and 7. Yeah. So records are now inserted. So for now we will see the first question. Find the department with the highest salary expenditure. So how to do this, right? So in order to find it, what we can do, we have to use join here, since department is a separate table and employee is a separate table, and employee salary is there and department ID is there. So we will do the uh, join on department ID. Okay, and then we will try to do the sum of employee salary. Okay, so that will give us the total highest salary expenditure, and then we will order it by sum of salary descending, right? So let's run it. So yeah, select uh, department ID, department name. Okay, and then sum of employee salary. This will be expenditure. Okay, from department D. Right, then we'll have to use the join. We will use the left join here. From department D, left join employee, and then it's alias e, then noun d dot append id equal to e dot department id. In employee it is, I think, without underscore. Yeah, department id, and then since we are using sum, we'll have to group by d dot department id and then d dot department name. So we have used these two columns here, so that's why in group by also these two columns will come here. Okay, and then we have to use order by sum of e dot salary, right, descending. I think let's run this and see what it gives. Yeah, so we have department id, department name, and expenditure. So in department 3, with department name, customer support has maximum 35,000, and then engineering has 30,000, and IT networking has 30,000, and sales doesn't have any value here, right? So D5, so D5 is not there in the list, so that's why it's null, right? So but our requirement was to find the department with highest salary expenditure. So now simple we can do here, limit 1. Okay, this will give you the highest one. Okay, yeah, so let's go to next question, which is employee with 4th highest salary, right? This problem we can solve in couple of ways. So first, without using rank also we can solve it. So let's do that. Select employee ID, employee sorry, employee name, and salary. Okay, from where is this? Okay, dot emp. Okay, order by, we have to find the first highest, right? Order by descending, right? And simply we can use limit and offset. So we will give limit 1 and offset 3. So if we run this, we will get the fourth highest salary. Let's see here. Fourth highest is first highest is this, second highest is this, third highest is this, and this is the fourth highest. Okay, so now let's solve this problem again. uh, with rank, with dense rank probably. So what we can do, we can use the common table expression CTE underscore rank, let's say, as select EMP underscore ID, EMP underscore name, salary. Okay, then we will do dense rank. So basically dense rank will not skip the ranking even if two people have the same rank. Suppose two people have same rank, like one in the first position and second position both have the same rank, then the third person will have the second rank too, not the three, like how it happens in the rank. So that's why we have taken dense rank here. Okay, so over I will do order by salary, descending obviously, and then as the RNK dense rank from, then we can copy this table and then we can say order by the rank descending, sorry, ascending, it will be there. We have already done descending here. Okay, fine. So now we have to just select the D rank equal to 4. So let's select it, select, it will be same, from CTRNK, where the RNK equal to 4. Something is wrong here. Okay, so let's run it. So two people have the same rank, so that's why two people are coming here, right? If we do limit 2, so with limit and offset, you can see one of the record was missing, right? Now it is coming. So so ranking system will definitely give you the more accurate answer. So if you want accuracy, we should use the dense rank and other rank and row numbers, right? So next, go to next question. Employees with same salary. So for employee with same salary, we'll have to do the inner join with employee table, and so it's very simple, it's not difficult. Select suppose E1 is one alias, E1 dot empid employee ID, then E2 dot employee ID, okay, common E1 dot salary, okay, from we have to use this table. Okay, EMP, and then alias will give E1, and then we will do inner join same schema emp e2. Okay, so on what condition we are joining? E1 dot salary, right? For finding the employee with same salary, E1 equal to E2 dot salary, right? And I think we will have to add one more condition. Employee E1 dot employee ID should not be equal to E2 dot employee ID, right? Otherwise it will conflict there for the same employee. And then we'll simply order by E1 dot salary and descending. So we can see here E2 and E6 have the same salary, same thing. E6 and E2 same, so both the versions are coming here, right? We can even change this one. If we change E1 dot name, we'll get the employee name. So like this. Other way of viewing could be like this. So E2 employee has same salary, E6 is also having same salary, like this, right? So let's go to next question. Number of employees in each department and display department name if it has more than one employee, right? I think it's not that much complex. Let's write the query. Select E1 employee ID E1 dot not E1 D1 D1 dot department ID. Okay, and then then D1 dot department name. Okay, and then count of E dot employee underscore ID from same table and from this is the schema. I think table name is department D1. Okay, left join again EMP. Okay, then on condition D1 dot department ID equal to E dot department ID. Okay, then we'll have to use group by these two. Okay, and since if it has more than one employee, so there is a condition here. So we can add that condition with having count e dot emp greater than 1, right? Yes, this will not be there. Okay. Employee ID. Okay. Then simple order by count of e dot employee ID. So let's run this query. Yeah. So the number of employees in department and display department, it has more than one employee. So only these department have more than one employee. Other department doesn't have more than one employee. Okay. So next question. Department with no employees. So this is also a very simple query only. Let's write it. Select same thing. It will come here also. Okay. Even yeah, even this will also come. Okay. And then this will also come. Okay. And then yeah, this will also come, and this will also come. Till here it will come. Okay, now we are saying select department ID, department name, count of employee ID from department table, left join employee table E, and then on condition D1 of department ID, need of department ID, group by department ID and the department name. So having with no employees. So it's very simple only. We can just give having condition equal to 0. Okay. Actually, there is a department D5 sales which doesn't have any employee, right? So if you want to verify in we can do this emp. So D5 nowhere it is there, so that's why D5 was coming, right? Okay, so next we move to, I think one more question is there. Okay, department and their employees, like this they want to display. Okay. Okay, so let's write query for this. Select same d dot department ID, d dot department name. Then we have something called concat underscore ws function in Databricks, where we can concatenate the strings given the list of strings. So we want to concatenate with comma, and list of strings will come from function sort underscore array. Okay, and here it will come from collect underscore list, the dot employee name. Employee name. Okay. So this will be as employee names. Okay. From the table, this will be same as it is. Okay. It will be D only, not D1. Okay. Then we have done the group by, and then finally we have to we can order by department ID. Department underscore ID. So in this query, this concat concat underscore ws is a function which concatenates the list of string values with a separator. So this is a separator, and with this sort array collect list will give you the list of employee name, and sort array will sort the list of employee names based on default sorting order, and then simply it will connect with comma with the separator. So let's run this query. You can see your employee names Frederick underscore Jack, Ryan underscore C, comma Tom. Like this it will come. So this function will be different for different databases. For Databricks, this function is working. If you are using PostgreSQL or MS SQL Server, then you probably will have to use some different function here. Thanks for watching, everyone. Thanks a lot.